If you're a developer working with Unified.to, the very first thing you'll need to do is activate an integration. In this video, we're going to cover two types of authorizations so you can offer 100+ integrations to your customers with Unified API Developer Platform. First, we're going to take a look at API key-based authorization for integrations. Let's start by logging in. Once you log in, you can navigate to integrations, activate integrations. Here you'll see 100+ integrations that we support. Let's find one that supports API key based authorization. For example, Bamboo HR. As you can see, this integration takes an API key and subdomain from your customers. Let's click activate. And you're done. You can start offering Bamboo HR to your customers to authorize and read and write data. Once your customer chooses to authorize Bamboo HR, they will be presented with an authorization page as this one. As you can see, it clearly instructs them where to get the API key and where to get a subdomain, which is required for Bamboo HR. Now let's go back to our integrations page and take a look at OAuth2 integration. OAuth2 integrations are more involved. This may be frustrating because third-party integrations have their own requirements and timelines for registering a developer account and retrieving OAuth2 credentials. For example, let's take a look at the Liver. As you can see, Liver supports OAuth2 authorization. For your convenience, you'll see a link to Liver Developer Portal where you can register your developer application and retrieve credentials. Once you get the client ID and secret, you can paste them here. They're going to authorize you access to their Liver account that will be presented with an authorization page by Liver where they'll see your branding and the permissions scopes that you're requiring. This is a preferred authorization method when available. However, if you would like to start testing, we highly recommend starting with API key-based integrations, or you can find some integrations have unified OAuth2 credentials. For example, HubSpot. As you can see, unified OAuth2 credentials. You'll see that we offer our own credentials. You don't need to type in client and secret. This is strictly for testing to help you getting started. Happy integrating.